Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue chapter 16, Interdependence in Nature. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you the topic interdependence between plants and animals. So dear student, let us know how animals used to depend on plants and plants depend on animals. First, animals depend on plants for food, water, shelter, and oxygen. Whereas plants depend on animals for reproduction, seed dispersal, and carbon dioxide. So dear student, animals depend on plant for food, water, shelter, and oxygen. Whereas plants depend on animal for reproduction, seed dispersal, and carbon dioxide. So let us know how animal used to depend on plant for food. Dear student, among all the living organisms present on earth, only green plants are able to make their own food by the process photosynthesis. And green plants are known as producer, dear student. Green plants are only living beings which are able to make their own food. So, green plants are known as producer. Herbivores feed on green plants. Carnivores depend upon the green plants. Other living organisms also depend upon the green plant. So, we can say that all living organisms directly or indirectly depend on plant for food, dear student. Now, water. Dear student, animal used to depend on plant for water. For an example, in desert area it is so difficult to find water. So the animal living in desert area feed upon xerophyte plant to fulfill the demand of water. For an example, camel feed upon the xerophyte plant like cactus to fulfill the requirement of water in desert area. So this way we can say that animals depend upon the plant for water. Next, shelter. Shelter. Animal used to depend on plant for shelter. For example, like monkey, gibbons, squirrel, birds make their home on plants. So this way animal depend on plants for their shelter. Also dear student, you should know that human being also make their home at the some places by wood. So living organism depend upon plants for shelter. Next is oxygen. Green plant only release oxygen. So all living organism depend upon green plant for oxygen. Dear student, you should know that green plant used to release oxygen during photosynthesis process, and photosynthesis process is being done by only green plant. So this way you can say that all living organism depend on plants for oxygen. Next I am going to explain you about the plants depend on animal for reproduction. Dear student, plants reproduction is being done by the help of the animals. For an example, certain insects like honeybee, butterfly used to visit plant to plant for collecting the nectar, and this way they used to transmit the pollen grain from one flower to other. Human beings, animals also help in the transfer of the pollen grain from one plant to other, and this way plant used to depend on animals for reproduction. Next is seed dispersal. We human beings, animals, birds help in the dispersal of seed. Dear student, you may have noticed birds used to carry fruit from one place to other, and this way seed is being dispersed from its original place to other. We human beings carry the fruit from one place to other. Animals, you may have noticed on their fur or hair certain type of the seed used to attach, and this way with the help of the animal seed are dispersed from its original place to other. So this way plant used to depend on animal for seed dispersal. Now plant used to depend on animal for carbon dioxide. Dear student, we human beings, animals used to release carbon dioxide when we breathe out, or you can say during the chemical process respiration we used to give out carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is being absorbed by the green plants. So green plants depend on animals for carbon dioxide. So dear student, please you read the topic and learn how plant and animal depend on each other for their requirement. Thank you dear student.